Welcome to Shipping Solutions, Export Documentation and Compliance Software. A major benefit of using Shipping Solutions is that you can store your customer and product information in the software's databases so you don't have to type the addresses and product detail over and over again. And if you already have the information in a database or spreadsheet, you can import it rather than typing it in by hand. The more export information you have for your customers and products, the more you can import. You'll find a complete list of data fields in the Shipping Solutions user guide. Use the column names shown in the user guide for each field, and you will have an easier time importing your data. Let me show you one strategy for easily getting your data in the correct format. In Shipping Solutions, go to the Databases tab, click Products, and manually enter one of your products. I have entered Shipping Solutions Professional as my product. Close this screen, go to the Tools tab, and click Export Contact and Product Databases. Select Products as the data to export, and then click Export to Excel. Keep in mind that this same process works for contacts. In the spreadsheet, we can see my one product with all the column headings. Now all my other products can be entered in this spreadsheet, or these column headings can be copied to another spreadsheet. Be sure to follow the data format rules shown in the user guide. In order for Shipping Solutions to import the data, however, it needs to be in a text file with the fields divided by tabs or pipes. A spreadsheet can be saved as a tab-delimited text file, or if your data is in your ERP system, most will allow you to export your information into a pipe-delimited text file. Once your data is ready to import, click Import Contact and Product Databases. In the What Do You Want to Import box, choose Contacts or Products, and I am going to import Products. Choose pipe, tab, or comma as your delimiter. Commas can sometimes cause problems if there are commas in your data, so I don't recommend it. And my delimiter was a tab. Click Locate File and navigate to the location of your file. Check this box if the first column in your text file includes column names. Now we need to tell Shipping Solutions what data is in each field in our file. If you used the strategy I discussed earlier, which was using the Shipping Solutions column names, you can simply check the box that says Data was exported from Shipping Solutions. If you have different column names, click Map Data. This screen opens showing the Shipping Solutions field names, their lengths, and their system field names. In the User Fields column, use the drop-down arrow to see the fields in your file, and select which fields correspond to the Shipping Solutions fields. So I will just map a few of the fields as an example. You do not have to map all of the Shipping Solutions fields, just map the fields that you have in your text files. Click Save and Exit. And since my data was exported from Shipping Solutions, I am going to check this box so that more of my data gets imported. And then I click Preview and Import Data. There is a checkbox to indicate whether you want to delete the existing items in the database. If you don't check the box, the data will be appended to whatever is already in the database. Click Import Products. Now if you go to the Products database, you will see that the product has been imported. For more information, give us a call at 888-890-7447 or visit our website, shippingsolutions.com. Thank you for watching.